Well, big political developments is what we're expecting, and Times Now will be getting you the latest updates on that. But now on to a Times Now impact story. Indian prisoner Chamal Singh's death in a Pakistani jail was always suspect, and the autopsy report confirmed that Pakistan was in fact lying. Reacting to the furore the report has caused both in India and Pakistan, the Indian government has now swung into action. It is evident that it was brutal torture that led to his death, and the government has now raised the issue with the Pakistan High Commission in Delhi, demanding that Chamal Singh's post-mortem report should be shared with India immediately.
According to the initial report which I have gone through, 4 injuries on the body of Chamal Singh are mentioned in this report. Although it is premature to say something at this stage that these injuries were the cause of his death or not, but torture is established on his body. According to that autopsy report, 4 injuries are mentioned on his body. 2 are abrasions on his both knees. 1 injury is on his lip, and the 3rd injury is also on right shoulder. And one thing more is mentioned in that report, that at the time of autopsy he was containing 100 milliliter undigested food.
Well, even as Pakistan's lies have been nailed again, voices demanding tough action against Pakistan are only growing louder.
Sort of cruelty, inhumanity, which has been evident on the part of Pakistan while dealing with India and Indians, is really very sad, and it shows somewhere the amount of hatred they have towards India, and make it clear to Pakistan once for all that we will not tolerate this sort of inhuman behavior in future at all.
Strongly condemn such inhuman act, such a barbaric act, such a unnatural act on the part of Pakistani authorities. We seek an inquiry into the whole affair, and the matter needs to be raised at the international level as to how Pakistan is behaving, how it has been taking up people from alongside the borders, and how it has been treating them.
Well, what do you expect between 2 enemies? Both enemies will hurt each other below the belt. And this will continue, whether it is Chamal Singh, whether it is Afzal Guru, whether it is this particular person who has been arrested. These stories will keep on coming till they don't patch up and bury the hatchet. And till such time, the nation will continue to suffer. These things will continue to happen. And principally, the worst sufferer will be J&K state.
I think it's highly condemnable, and this is quite a part of our police culture. Constantly, I think time and again, people have been raising this issue where prisoners' rights have been violated by the police. In the case when a prisoner belongs to another country, this also reflects on the entire state and the nature of the state and the society. And it's very important that in this particular case that we should take swift action. We should take immediately effective action against those officials who were involved in violating this.